Autologous cell therapy manufacturing is a complex and carefully controlled process that involves working with the patient's own T cells, and this requires specialized capabilities and expertise. To address the increasing demand for cell therapies, we are scaling our manufacturing capacity with state-of-the-art operations in the US and China. With future development and commercial needs in mind, our end-to-end approach brings process development, manufacturing, and supply teams together to foster collaboration and optimize efficiency. What makes our team special is our breadth of experience and our passion for pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We are exploring new ways to improve and shorten the manufacturing process with a goal to enhance T-cell activity and to reduce the wait time for a potential treatment. And our work doesn't stop there. Looking to the future, we are exploring allogeneic technology with the aim of delivering off-the-shelf cell therapies that are available to patients when they need them.